Good morning, children. We are dealing with linear equations in one variable and seeing how best we can solve them. I hope you have done your homework. Anyway, today we will see some more examples in solving a linear equation in one variable. Okay, now supposing we have a variable equation like this: 2 into x plus 3 equal to 4 into 2x minus 1. Let's say some equation like this. Now what happens is, whenever we see the bracket, what does bracket mean? It means off. Off means multiplication, correct? Bracket is multiplication, right? So 2 into this, we have to use the distributive property. When we are going to use the distributive property, it will be, expand this, what will it become? 2 into x will become 2x plus 2 into 3 will become 6 equal to, here also use the distributive property, 4 into 2x will be 8x minus 4 into 1 will be 4. Now once you have got this, then it is easy to transpose and find the value of x. Now let us see what should we do. We should identify like terms and bring them all to one side of the equal to sign. Okay, so let us bring all the x terms to the left hand side and the constants to the right hand side. So in that case, what will this equation become? 2x and 8x are like terms. So I will keep 2x here and bring in 8x from there. Plus will become minus. So it will become minus 8x equal to. I told you, whenever we are doing transposing, always write what is there already in that side of the equal to sign first and then bring in the new term. So here we have minus 4. So don't forget the minus sign, keep it as minus 4. Now bring in the other term. Which is the other term? Plus 6. When you bring plus 6 to this side, what will it become? It will become minus 6. Are we okay with this? Now let us see. Now 2x minus 8x is minus 6x equal to minus 4 minus 6. Both same signs. So add and put down the sign. So what will you get? Minus 10. So now we can cancel this minus sign and this minus sign and do it as 6x. X is equal to, what is the sign between these two? Multiplication. So when you bring it this side, what will it become? It will become division. So what will you get here? 10 by 6. This is my answer. You can simplify and write, or this is good enough. Okay. If you simplify, you'll get 5. 2 5s are 10 and 2 3s are. So 5 by 3 will be your answer. So what did I do in this sum? When there was a bracket, I used distributive property and multiplied the constant by the other two terms. So what will happen? 2 into x will, I've got 2x plus 2 3s are 6 equal to, here also use distributive property. So what will you get? 4 into 2x is 8x minus 4 into 1 is 4. Have you got it? So now identify the like terms and put them on one side of the equal to sign. So I am bringing all the x terms to the left hand side and the constants to the right hand side. So what happens? 2x, I write down 2x as it is, bring in the new term. So plus 8x will become minus 8x. Are we okay with that? Then equal to, always write down the term that is already there and then bring in this other term. So minus 4 and plus 6, when you transpose this side, it will become minus 6. Now, when you add and simplify, you will get the corresponding value for x. 2x minus 8x will become minus 6x equal to minus 4 minus 6 will become minus 10. I have cancelled out the minus sign and so x is equal to, when you transpose 6 that side, since it is multiplication, it will become division. So you get 10 by 6, which is 5 by 3. Did you understand, children? Okay, shall we see another example? Another example will be, this was with multiplication, right? Now supposing we have a term like this, x plus 1 divided by x minus 4 is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, now in this case what has happened is this whole numerator is there on a denominator, and here also you have numerator and denominator. There is no other term to add or subtract. So directly what can we do? We can go for cross multiplication. So when we try to cross multiply, what will happen? This will be here and this will be here. So when you cross multiply, what will you get? You will get, that implies 3 open bracket x plus 1 equal to 2 open bracket x minus 4. Are we okay with this? This term will be multiplied by 3 and 2 will be multiplied by this x minus 4. Now once you have got it, it is similar to the previous sum. Yes? So it is easy. What should we do? Use distributive property. When we are using distributive property, what will this become? 3 into x will become 3x plus 3 into 1 will become 3, right? Equal to 2 into x will become 2x minus 2 into 4 will become 8. Have you got it? Now identify the like terms and bring them to one side. So let us identify x terms, bring it to the left hand side of the equal to sign, and the numbers shall be taken to the right hand side. So what will this become? 3x minus 2x. Why did it become minus? When I am transposing, plus will become minus. Then write down the term that is there. What is that? Minus 8. Now bring in the number from the left hand side. Plus 3, when you transpose this side, it will become minus 3. Are we okay with this? So what will you get? 3x minus 2x is equal to 1x equal to minus 8 minus 3 will be minus 11. So what is the value of x? Minus 11. Did you understand? Okay. This sums are easy, right? Shall we have one more example? Okay. Right. Now, one more example for multiplication. Just say you have 2 into 2x plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, so we have a sum like this. So what will happen? We'll have to expand this bracket first. So what will you get? 2 into 2x will be 4x, right? Plus 2 3s are 6 minus 1 equal to 5. Okay, now what happens is 4x, simplify what is here, 6 minus 1 is 5 plus 5 is equal to 5. Okay, so what will you get? You get 4x is equal to, take the number that side, 5 minus 5. Why did it become minus 5? Plus 5, when you transpose to the other side, it becomes minus 5. So you get 4x is equal to 0. And so what is x equal to? 0 by 4, which is equal to 0. When 0 is divided by any number, it will always be 0. Understand? Just say I have nothing in my hand and I am going to distribute it to, I am going to divide it to 5 of you. Okay, how much will each one get? Nothing, because I have nothing, right? So none of you will get anything. So that is what, when you divide 0 by any number, you will only get 0. Okay, have you got it? Have you understood? Okay. Now we'll see one more example. Okay, just say we have 3 into x minus 1 by 4 plus 1 equal to 2 by 3. Just say we have a sum like this. Now we cannot directly cross multiply because there is another term which has to be simplified. So first what we'll do is we'll simplify this. So what will you get here? You will get 3 into x will be 3x minus 3 into 1 will be 3 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Now what you do is you find the LCM here because they are on different denominators. When you find the LCM for 4 and 1, what will you get? You will get 4. Now 4 will go into 4 how many times? Once. So multiply this term by 1. So what will you get? 3x minus 3 plus 1 will go into 4 how many times? 4 times. So into 4. 1 4s are 4 equal to 2 by 3. Now simplify if there is anything that can be added or subtracted. We have 3x minus 3 plus 4 is plus 1 divided by 4 is equal to 2 by 3. Have you got it? So now it becomes the same as the sum we have dealt earlier. So what we have to do? We have to cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you will get 3 into 3x plus 1 divided by 4, 3 into 3x plus 1 is equal to 2 into 4. So what will you get? Expand this bracket. You'll get 3 3s are 9x plus 3 1s are 3 equal to 2 4s are 8. Okay. So now when you simplify, what will you get? Take the constant to the other side. So you will get 9x is equal to 8 minus 3 plus 3. When I transpose, it will become minus 3. So what will you get here? 9x is equal to 8 minus 3 is 5. That implies x is equal to 5 by 9. Why 5 by 9? Because it is multiplication here. When I transpose, it becomes division. Have you understood this sum? Yes? Okay. I will give you some sums for homework. Please try them. It will be easy for you to solve. This is an important concept. So take it sincerely and do it well. Okay? Stay home. Stay safe. Have a nice day. Thank you.